Now, one feature that I've wanted to test on my truck for a long time is the multi-terrain select and crawl control feature. I've used both functions in various situations, but I've never really been able to gauge whether it's just a gimmick or whether it's actually offering any real functionality. I will say that there was one time that I was stuck in the snow and I was able to use the crawl control to get myself out of that situation, so it did come in handy there, but in general, kind of seems like a little bit of a gimmick. Now, what we've got here today is a very small sand dune, but I'm gonna do a comparison test starting off with just multi-terrain select in the sand mode. Then we're gonna do crawl control in the lowest setting and the highest setting. And then lastly, we'll just put it in 4 high and give it some gas and see which of those 3 works the best. Now, obviously these systems are gonna be functional in unique situations. They may not be an end-all solution for all situations, so this may not be a fair test. But I do feel like sand going up the same grade is a pretty good opportunity to test the various systems against one another. So with that, here we go. Control a joke, but I look like an idiot. This is one good reason not to use it. I am still making a little progress. I'm not ready to give up on it yet. Oh, it's actually going to make it, I think. But not in style, that's for sure. So what you could see there was we actually took 2 trials, and the first go around, because the sand had gotten packed out so much, it actually made it up in all of the modes, but definitely doing 4 high was still the easiest, best mode to get up. Decided it makes sense to do a second run on fresh sand, so take fresh tracks each time that I went with one of the different modes, and you saw that the only way that we made it up the hill was using 4 high. So certainly these systems do have an application, but I'd say in general, you're not gonna get a whole lot of value out of them. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. In the meantime, thanks for watching.